Hello everyone, this is HiTech Talk. So in this video, I will tell you how can you use harm meter filter on Instagram as well as on TikTok. So for that, you need to search for a user that is AFG. So after this, you need to click on this face icon you can see here, and here you will see this filter is here. Just click on this one. So if you want to add this filter in your filter list, then you can click on this one, or else you can click on try it. So here you can see, just press 50%. So in this way you can use this filter. So if you want to post this in TikTok, then you can click on the save, and you can save this video and you can post it on TikTok. So thanks for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.